guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. It's your girl Achichi speaking, and that is Ochani right there coming with the goat. Today we are going to slaughter this goat, and you'll see the whole process as we do it. Welcome.
Hello Achichi.
What's going on?
This goat, we are going to sacrifice it.
Sacrifice for what?
We are sacrificing this one today. Are you seeing that house?
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
So that house has just been finished, and we need to what? We need engineer. We need to sacrifice the goat. Why?
What is the reason?
Why do we sacrifice the goat? So bad luck. There are those bad winds, that's those spiritual winds, those spiritual spirits that might remove the roof of the house.
Okay.
So we need to sacrifice a goat, an animal preferably, a goat, to bless the house before it is opened officially.
Okay.
So let's go.
So what are we going to do now?
I want to surprise you.
Okay.
I want to surprise you. So where is the knife? I first go through the house 3 times. I just run.
So why are we moving?
It's a tradition.
Mm-hmm.
We need to move through the house 3 times.
3 times?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
So
go.
this is the first lap. If it was a chicken, it would have been much easier.
What would happen with the chicken?
I would just carry the chicken and run.
Oh.
But this one fights for his life. So, see?
So you have to be running?
Yeah, I have to be running. Three times. This is one. Oh, yeah, come 3 times. This is one, eh?
This is the second round.
Second round. The goat is very stubborn. Doesn't want to move.
Which round are we in? The third one now.
This is the second round.
Okay.
Yes.
The last one, you just put it on your back.
The goat has to.
Eh, to make the blood heat up. Because we are also going to get some blood.
Okay. Last round.
The last round.
Okay.
The last round.
This is the last round. This one we are tying the legs so that the goat cannot overpower us.
Probably you go away.
Simba, Babel. Just take only my axe. So we are going to sharpen the knife.
it out. Woo.
Hey, let me pass. Full of
So what's that? That's what?
This is the stomach.
The stomach.
Yeah.
We are going. Why are we
Yes,
talking?
it's called
You first wait.
for the house.
So you leave some balance for the house to sprinkle.
Sa tuara ko.
Makopala yeke
yeah. It's difficult.
yeke para no.
Kanyu magane?
So you have to cut it
Okay,
so that.
Yeah.
I think that's my favorite also from the.
Hey, that bad is where the poo
Well done.
is.
Now you have to leave a
And
balance
you
to
can even
sprinkle on the
put
house. The blessing. So the blessing is put all around the house. All around the house. Mpaka ya.
Funby. I was saying, but where is the other part? Where is
It looks like a pocket.
yes. Don't
Which
tap
one,
the video.
Mm.
No, let me go on the other side also.
Okay, put the other side also. Let's go.
Mommy,
So we have smeared all around here.
mommy.
Mm.
That thing looks like a. Hey, you're sprinkling poop on me.
So the house is now
We
set.
are done. And lastly, how is that? Chief priest.
Chief priest,
I'm the chief priest.
look at that.
Chief priest.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and that brings us to the end of the ritual. Bye.